collision, very important topic. Collision, very important topic for JEE advanced and NEET exam. Always remember, JEE advanced and NEET exam. This topic very easy, very important, and very not tough question. Very easy topic for collision. So first you start the collision. You start the collision. The first understand what is collision. First, what is collision? Collision is, remember, different condition collision. Remember, this one bike, this one body, this one body. This body move v velocity, this body move v velocity. This u, this v. Condition u v greater than u, so this body collides. Otherwise, no. Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir? Sir, am I audible, sir? Can you hear me?
Sound not clear.
Sir, can you hear me, sir? I can hear you, sir.
Hello. Lokesh, sound clear? Remember collision. So this one body, this velocity u, this velocity v. If this velocity greater than this body, this velocity, so body collision. One condition this. Second condition this surface, this body, this body drops. This ball drop. I can jump, I can drop this. This is also one type collision. This is also one type collision. This is also collision. This is also collision. So collision with different condition, different condition apply the collision. So first write down types of collision. Types of collision write down. Write down collision. First types of collision. Write down the first elastic collision. Elastic and inelastic. First elastic, second inelastic collision. A second write down heat on collision. Heat on collision or these two type collisions. Heat on. So this is heat on collision. Some book this given. Some book this name. Write down heat on collision. Some book hit on collision or hit on or direct collision. Hit on collision or direct collision. This oblique collision, this means indirect. This means indirect collision. Write down. First, elastic and inelastic collision. Second, hit on known as direct collision or oblique collision known as indirect collision. Always write down. The first point write down. hit on first point diagram, hit on elastic collision. First point diagram, hit on elastic collision. First point diagram, hit hit on hit on elastic collision. Hit on elastic collision. Write down hit on elastic collision. So understand the hit on elastic collision. Hit on elastic collision one dimension. Hit on elastic collision one dimension motion. One dimension. Hit on elastic collision one dimension. Hit on collision one dimension. Write down. Now remember these two, this surface, this one body, this one body, this body m1, this body m2, this velocity u1 or this velocity u2. Before collision, before this is BC, before collision, after before collision, again collision, this one is collide, sir. Collision only one condition, remember u2 greater than u1. Always remember u2 greater than u1. So collision, otherwise not collision. This collision, this is m2, this is m1. In collision, this body apply one force, this force F12. This body apply one force, this body on 2F1. Always remember Newton's third law. Always remember F12 is equal to minus F21. Yeah, F12 magnitude is equal to F21. Always remember. He first BC before collision, these two body M1 and M2, velocity U1 and U2. Start body U2 greater than U1. In collision, this body one force apply F12. This system one apply F1. Newton's third law, action and reaction equal and opposite direction. This is minus. So magnitude always equal. Understand? Understand? You don't understand?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Diagram again. First BC before collision, second after again collision. Next after collision. After collision, this means this body, this M1 or this M2. After collision, SC. After collision, this velocity V1 or this velocity V2. Always remember, after collision, velocity change V1 and V2. Draw the diagram. So first, draw the diagram. Very important topic, very easy. Very important, very easy. First. I not explain the what is this theory. Let all teacher let M1, M2 mass of the body, V1, V2 velocity of this and that. You understand? I not understand that? You not a story. Only understand this. How this option. Remember the first position at first condition item conservation of momentum. First item conservation of momentum. First point conservation of momentum. Write down conservation of momentum. Conservation of momentum is momentum initial is equal to momentum final. Momentum initial is equal to momentum final. So momentum is mass into velocity. Mass into velocity. Momentum initial m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Now m1 u1 minus m1 V1 is equal to M2 V2 minus M2 U2. Any common? M1 common. U1 minus V1 is equal to M2 common V2 minus U2. This write on. This is equation 1. This consider equation 1. Write down. Complete. Next point, second condition, conservation of energy. Second condition, conservation of energy. Disruption. Second condition, conservation of energy. This remember, after some time use this. Conservation of energy. Energy initial is equal to energy final. Energy means kinetic. Kinetic is sir potential zero na. Organic is potential zero sir. So kinetic initial is equal to kinetic final. Understand? Understand? Why not use to potential? Because this is this part here. Surface only kinetic energy, no potential energy. Pure potential energy. Kinetic energy system half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square is equal to half m1 u1 square plus half m2 v2 square half cancel. Again m1 common u1 square minus v1 square is equal to m2 common v2 square minus u2 square. Now equation 2 consider. Equation 2 consider. Write down. Equation 2 consider this. Okay, now equation 2 divide equation 1. Now equation 2 divide equation 1. Disruption. Now equation 2 this equation 1 divides m1 u1 minus v1 m2 v2 minus v1 minus u2 m cancel m2 cancel. This diagram u1 plus v1 is equal to v2 plus u2. Understand? This and understand? This and understand? Now this condition anyone find v1 finds something. v1 is equal to v2 minus 30 plus u2 minus u1. This value put equation 1. This value put equation 1. v1 value put equation 1. What v1 equation 1? m1 u1 minus v1 is equal to m2 v2 minus u2. So v1 value put this place. m1 u1 to u1 minus this v1 put sir v2 minus u2 plus u1 is equal to m2 v2 minus m2 u2. Of this multi solve 2 mu1 m1 u1 minus m1 v2 minus m1 u1 u2 is equal to m2 v2 minus m2 u2. Understand? Any doubt? Tell me. This condition, this equation, find V2. Find V2. Disruption. Disrupt V2. This V2 go this side, this side, sir. So what value? This V2 this side or this side. So 2m1 u1 minus m1 u2 plus m2 u2 is equal to v2 common m1 plus m2. Understand? So v2 is equal to is m2 v2 is equal to 2m1 sorry 2m1 by m1 plus m2 u1 minus wrong this m1 sorry m1 wait 1 minute this m1 u1 2 u1 this m2 okay okay this go this side so v2 is equal to 2 m1 plus m2 into u1 plus m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m2 into u2 this formula this is formula this is right now. Remember this is u not v this is u. Write down.
Yes, sir, completed, sir.
Now this v2 value put equation this one. This v2 value put equation third. So what third value? Tell me third equation what value? So v1 is equal to what value? v1 is equal to u1 v2 plus u2 minus v1. This v2 value put this place. So v1 is equal to v2 value put this place and can calculate the answer come. v2 value put this place and calculate the answer come your answer come m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1 plus 2m1 by m1 plus m2 into this answer. Write down. This is 2 not 1. This is 2 1. This 2. Hello, put now calculate the v2 comes. This comes. Write down. IIT need not ask the question this not ask the question. Not ask the question this ki U1 into this velocity. Logically ask the question. Logically this. This equation remember. This formula always almost remember that. Not remember to what not solve the question. So your question this type of condition number 1. Case number 1. M1 greater than M2. This M1 heavy body, M1 a small body, M1 heavy body, M2 a small body. Means truck and bicycle collision. Understand? Truck very heavy, cycle you understand. Bicycle you understand. So truck and cycle collision. Truck and cycle collision. To what condition? What velocity change? What condition? Remember, M2 get more greater than M1. V1 is equal. Remember, V1. So M2 more greater than. Remember, sir. M2 more greater than. So more greater than is negative. This neglected. This also M1 plus. This also neglected. M1 and M1 cancel. U1. U1. This M1 more greater than. So this neglected. Total term neglected. Always remember M1 greater than M2. So V1 equal to U1 and V2 equal to U2. Remember. This type question asked. Second condition M1 less than M2. M1 less than M2. Again find the velocity. V1. Remember M2 greater than this minus U1. This greater than so plus 2U2. This condition. If 2U2 minus U1. This condition. Again V2 M2 greater than this neglected, total neglected. This positive this condition. V2 equal to U2, but V1 equal to 2U2 minus U1. Third condition. Understand? This case remember. But this formula, case or forget the formula remember. Case forget formula remember. No problem. Third case write down. M1 equal to M2 means both mass same, means both truck या both car या both cycle collision. So V1 is equal to M1 M2 equal means 0, total term 0. M1 M1 2 M1 cancel the U1. And V2 this M1 M2 equal M1 M1 2 M1 cancel U1 and this to 0. This U1 is equal to U2 and V2 is equal to U1.